everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. It's pretty nice here in BC. It's a little sunny with a little bit of a breeze. This morning our rescue Yorkie decided to escape outside the backyard. She dug her way to freedom and ran down the street, and it was really nice. We did get a call from the lady that had her, and so that was great. So we had to put some more boards around the around like the where the fence is and that kind of thing to try to keep her in. So I guess she was just running like the wind and barking at the same time, and we're lucky to get her back. So we'll see how it goes. So it's a little frustrating today, a little scary for the dog, and I don't know. Anyways, I have an unboxing from Best Buy. Comes in a package like this. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Got my blade. Alright, let's see what we got here. Just comes in like a bubble envelope here. Alright, they're having some pretty good sales at Best Buy. So they have a lot of, if you're looking for SD cards, they have 32, this size here, 32 GB for $10.99, which is pretty amazing. So these came today. So for that kind of money, I went ahead and got 3. You always need them, and these are Kingston. So they're like the best ones, basically. And they're all 32. And I did get one of my games that was not on pre-order. And this is the Ultimate NES REMIX. So this is previously played, and you can get them for about half the price. So this is gonna take this with me when we go to Sheridan Lake. So that should be pretty fun. Alright, so that's my unboxing and my story for today. I hope everybody's having a great week. I'll keep you updated on Sheridan Lake. We'll post a lot of pictures as we're leaving on Thursday morning. And we're coming back on Sunday the 30th. Alright, until next time, thanks for watching Senior Style with the senior point of view. And I hope everybody's having a great week. Bye, guys.